Quick, what time is it? 12 or 3? 2 arrows. Help! Meet the hands. The long hand, it counts minutes. The short hand, it tells hours. 2 hands, 2 jobs. The reading recipe. Step 1. The long hand first, pointing straight up at the 12. Careful, that means 0 minutes and a clock time. Step 2. The short hand, its number tells the hour. Now try it. The long hand straight up, o'clock. The short hand on the 3, it's 3 o'clock. To write it, the hour goes first, 3, then the minutes, 00, 3 o'clock, and it's early in the morning, 3 in the morning. Shh. Let's remember, long hand on the 12 o'clock, short hand the hour, 3 o'clock. See you next time.